A sad update now from near Savannah, Georgia, where a teen has now died after being struck by lightning. Let's go to Josh Breslow at the WKRN.com alert desk with that.
Yeah, very sad update. So that 15-year-old female swimmer was from Alabama. We don't know her name just yet. The information coming in from our sister station. This happened over on Tybee Island, which is just outside of Savannah, Georgia. Take a look here. These are file photos from last month showing just how busy that beach city can get. It was storming at the time, as you'd imagine, Saturday afternoon. Tybee Island police say this was a 15-year-old girl who was struck by lightning there while she was swimming. She was rushed to a hospital where she did die from her injuries. Now, this does remain under investigation, and again, her name has not been released, but we have learned she is from Alabama. Be sure to stay with News 2 and WKRN.com as we get more information.